What's going on, guys? So today's video, well, you guys know we got Dirty Max over here that has broken lights, and these lights got to get fixed, got to get repaired. Well, they got to be replaced so they can work. But before I do, please, I know some of you guys will be giving me crap for this hat, telling me, Eddie, you don't own an LML no more. You don't deserve to wear that hat. How about this shirt right here? I mean, what do I do with this shirt right here? I mean, what am I supposed to do with all this stuff, guys? I mean, I guess I can, I don't know, pull this hat off right here and then just throw this one on right here. Is that better? I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? You Cummins guys, is this, because I don't want to get jumped by a bunch of GM guys, you know, for wearing that, saying, oh, listen, homie, we repping LML for, you know, you don't even got that. So, all right, you know, I mean, I understand. I won't wear the hat, you know, I mean, or I could take this off. I could put this one on if you guys want right here. I mean, I got a couple options here. So I don't know if maybe I'll just wear the Cummins and the shirt. So letting you know, like, I still like both, you know, I'm still a fan of both of them, but I don't know, you guys tell me. Also, I'm thinking about, and yes, I'm putting my LML hat back on, well, because I still love the Dirty Max, okay, and I'm not ready just to let it go yet, man, okay? So, but I am thinking, I want to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway for my GM guys and my Cummins guys out there. Cummins guys? I don't have to. Go ahead, guys. Below the comment section, I said it. I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm sorry. I blew it. That's my fault. You guys, you caught me. That's it. You caught me red-handed. Go ahead, comment down below. But so I will say for my GM guys and Ram guys, that's still the damn. I can't. Okay, just they're not even called Dodge anymore. I don't even know what to say. So I guess I can't. Just you guys know the 6.7. guys out there. There you go. I'll do the 6.6 guys and the 6.7 guys. I'm sure you guys will figure out a way to make that disgusting also too. But I don't even know where I was going with this whole thing. Oh, hats. I got some hats. I'm going to give some away. First giveaway I'm going to do is for the 6.7 guys, Cummins guys. I know. Just go ahead. It's no big deal. But I'm going to give some of those hats away. I got a couple hats here. Let me know, you know, if you guys like these options. I will show you. Oh, hello. I'll show you a little sneak peek, but well, I don't know if I should show you yet. I mean, they're right over there because I got some stuff coming from PPEI, also Corey, Logan. Thank you guys. They're sending me stuff to give to you guys in this giveaway. Now, how to enter the giveaway, I have no idea. I haven't even decided yet. How you're going to win it, no idea. Haven't decided yet. But you're not going to have to buy anything from me. You know, as you guys, I don't even have a website yet for you guys to purchase stuff on yet, so I'm not worried about you buying anything or entering a giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to give these away. Actually, all right, I'll show you a sneak peek for the Ram guys out there. I got a couple of these options, these 4 options I'm going to be giving away. You got your 6.7, you got your Cummins all black, you got your black and gray, and my all-time favorite, this red and black right here, Cummins hats. I got more of these. I also got these LML ones coming. I got the 6.6 ones coming also. I got a bunch of stuff, and I want to start giving you guys some of this stuff away, just because, you know, I appreciate you guys. This channel has exploded, and I mean, I'm not like dramatic like crazy, but it's grown, and it's growing, and it's continuing to grow. And without your guys' support and you guys watching and showing me all this love, it's just, I can't have the channel. This channel is nothing without you guys. So what I want to do is I want to give back to some of you guys. So I know there's a lot of Ford guys out there too. I guess the Ford guys, I can give you the 6.7 hat. You know, I mean, still your Ford's a 6.7, so I mean, you don't have to know that I made it for the Cummins, but hey, it's a 6.7, you know. So I'm gonna get a bunch more of these hats actually made if you guys are interested. So if you guys are interested, comment down below and just comment, you know, interested in more hats or want more hats or bring out the hats. You know, if you guys are interested in these the hat giveaways, I will do different giveaways for you guys. Now, also, what Corey and Logan are sending me, I have no idea, but I'm sure they're gonna send a koozie because, you know, that's their, like, I think their signature is a koozie. So, and a lot of you guys asked me, I don't even know what I did with all my koozies, but a lot of you guys asked me, can I have a koozie, Eddie? I want a koozie. No, you can't have a koozie one of mine because they are my koozies, but I will give some away. So the point what I'm trying to make here is I want to start giving away stuff to you guys because of all the love, the support that you guys have given me, and how long some of you guys, you know, the true OG Eddie Life guys out there that have been following the channel, you know, since a year ago I started, a year and, you know, a couple months ago I started. I want to, you know, thank all you guys for just supporting the channel and watching these videos. Now, enough blabbing about hats and giveaways and stuff. We got to get this thing working. So, these lights, guys, as you guys know, also big shout out to OxBeam. They sent me these lights. Now, here's the thing about this, though. So, I know with GM, if you take like a regular light out, and for an example, in my truck, and I put HIDs in it, if you do not put a like a decoder, I believe it's like a it tricks the system basically to let you, or not let you, but to let the truck know that there's still a halogen bulb in here. Because if you take this halogen bulb out and you don't put that little decoder in there, and my truck will actually not turn the check engine light on, but it will not turn the light on. So the light will like flicker, then shut off. I don't know, maybe LEDs, they don't have that issues, but this has LEDs, this has issues. So we're going to try to make a damn video without my phone ringing and interrupting me. Goodness, I'm sorry. Hold on, guys. Okay, like I was saying before I get interrupted, I apologize. But again, big thanks to OxBeam. They sent me these LED lights over here. I just hope when I plug them in, they work. I don't need a ballast, a decoder, anything like that. I will need these to open maybe by this year. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm going to have to put this down over here. Let me see if I can set this right here for you guys and do a little unboxing to show you exactly, you know, what these things look like. Whoa, 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 there we go. You copy? Hey, how you doing? Okay. All right, here we go. All right. So, OxBeam, thank you. Just hope they work good and they're bright. So, right away when we open it, bam, what did you know? What? We got lights. We got LED lights in here, guys. So, well, here it is. Not much to it. It's just a, looks like a regular light bulb with some LEDs on it. Oh, it's got a little fan. Oh, one sec. Got a OxBeam, man. I gotta say, you guys package these things up really, really good. These things are hard to get at. Okay, there's one. All right. Okay. Light number one here, guys. Let me see if you can focus in here. So you got a little fan. Keep looking at myself. I'm supposed to be looking at you guys because I got the thing up so I can make sure you guys can see the thing, you know. So fan, bam, you see. All right. Other than that, that's it. You got an LED there. You don't have one up top, and it looks like it has 3 LEDs. Hold on, I gotta take it over here to the light real quick. Yeah, it looks like there are 3 LEDs. So I'll try to get the camera if it can focus. Yeah, there's no way in hell this thing's going to focus on this. Hold on, I'll try my best for you guys. Come on, show oh, and we got nothing. All right, well, sorry you guys can't see that, but there are 3 LEDs right here. 1, 2, 3, bam. 1, 2, 3, bam. And let's get this install started and see how it is. First, we're going to turn these on with these regular LEDs right here from DDM Tuning. As you guys know, these DDM Tuning, you guys have great HIDs. They work great. Your LEDs, I'm sorry, but your LEDs suck. I've had nothing but problems with your LEDs. So these are DDM tunings that are giving me problems right now. Let's turn them on real quick. Oh, wait. Let's turn them on real quick and see how they look. See if we can tell the brightness and see how much brighter these are going to be. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell a difference, but let's just find out. All right, guys, so we're going to pull this intake off now so we can get to the light over here. So I'm going to use my Milwaukee. Oh, yes, and if you're wondering, this is the 2760-20. Yeah, what, Wes? What? Well, yeah. I know my part numbers too. You're not the only one. What? Exactly. So if you guys are interested, yes, it is a 2760-20 Milwaukee. This is actually their new Surge. Yeah, Wes probably does not know about this. Wes, I know, has some of the old stuff. So I don't know, Wes. You let me know. Have you seen this? Have you heard anything about this all new girl over here? Oh, what? You're saying something about the 2.0? Oh, you're concerned about that. Oh, don't worry, Wes. Just don't worry there, pal. I got plenty of batteries. 5.0. Oh, you wanted 9.0s? Oh, we got 9.0s too. I don't. Listen, Wes, why are you complaining, dude? Why are you worrying? It's not a big deal. You don't have to don't be hating. Don't play a hate, you know? Oh, you want a 9.0 the blower? Oh, it's okay. That's right here, Wes. Oh, you need to pump some water or something? Don't worry, Wes. It's right here. God, Wes, stop playing hating, man, okay? Just don't worry. I'll teach you one day how to get all these Milwaukee, get the Milwaukee sponsorship. Milwaukee, hurry up and sponsor me, man. Come on. So, enough about Wes and his Milwaukee tools. Let's get started on this. So we're going to use this and bust these out over here real quick. There's only 2 screws up here. It is pretty damn easy. There's 2 here, and then all it is, the whole thing's gonna pop off. I like to unplug these so you can fold it over. It makes it just a little easier to get out of the way over here. You guys, this is why it's so important to maintenance your vehicles. Air filter, I mean, look at this. Look at this thing. It's just black. I mean, they're supposed to be white, but not only this, look at in here. I don't know if you guys can, let me zoom in here for you guys. Look at that. I think he has a, I don't know, Glamis, a little buttercup in there. Yeah, there's some sand in there. So, you know, this is why, guys, it's very easy. Just, you know, take a quick look at your stuff, double check everything over, you know, do a quick little maintenance, check the oil, check the air filter. I mean, oh my, look at this thing. Jeez. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up for him. We're gonna suck all this out with a vacuum, get the shop vac over here, change the filter for him because that is unacceptable. So we cannot put this thing back looking like this. That is a big no-no, guys. Especially if you're gonna come here in my shop, in my garage, you're not gonna leave with, you know, me knowing that in there and that looking like that. Sorry, that's a no-go. All right, guys, now that we have taken off the air bar, air cleaner, all that good stuff, here is the light down there. This is the LED light that has currently went out. Of course I get a phone call. Why, where, what, this would be the best time to get a phone call, right when I'm vlogging. All right, so here's the stock one. Looks kind of well, I'm not gonna say the same, but similar how it's worked. It's got a fan in the back. This one has 6 LEDs. I don't know see if you guys can focus. There you go. 6 LEDs on that side, 6 on that side, nothing up top. So, well, you would assume these are brighter, having 6, but I don't know. We'll see. And then this is that. I'm not, you know, they say this is a decoder. Some people have heard them say it's an igniter. I'm not sure what it's for, but if that is to trick the system, well, then those aux lights will not work. But let's see. We will unplug this here, right over there, like that. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this again. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, guys. Hold on. All right, so we got the new one installed there. Now we're going to turn them on and let's see if we can tell a difference between the light that does work and the new OxBeam light. All right, guys, so just got a phone call. Customer has changed his mind. He wants to go back to the stock halogen lights, so he doesn't have any problem going down the road because he says he's going to be getting rid of this truck soon. But he did say let's go with the air filter. So since we're going to put the air filter on, let me just show you a little before and after. So here is the one we took out right here, and that's the one we're putting in. I think there's a little bit of a difference. What do you guys think? A little bit? Not too bad, but see that? That's what your air filter should look like, not that. All right, guys, just like that, she's done. She's put back together, all cleaned up, ready to go. I wouldn't say really clean, it's kind of dirty in here, but now we're going to head to the bumper and we're going to fix all of these chips right here. So we gotta get started on that. That's probably gonna take a while to fix all these. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.